Hey Glam fam, what's poppin'? Newcomers, welcome. This look is super easy, super nice. I was going for a mermaid feel. So there is a mix between some greens, some blues, and some pinks. I'm featuring some new products in this look as well as some new eyeliner techniques. I hope you ladies like this look, and let's get started. Starting out, our brows and our eyes have already been primed, so let's go ahead and jump into it. This is the 88 Shimmer palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're starting out with this aqua blue. Now this blue is kind of like a shimmer halogenic blue, and it's the first color for our eyeshadow build. The next color in our eyeshadow build is the Zulu palette's matte turquoise, and we're applying this color right underneath where we have that aqua blue. Eventually we're going to blend these two into each other, but we want something with a little bit more pigment, so that's why we switched to this matte turquoise. So because we used a lot of that matte turquoise, we're actually going to go in with a deeper aqua blue. Now this one is a shimmer, and we're just going to blend the two colors together. This will be the middle transition between both those colors. And then lastly, we're going in with another shimmer palette. Now this one is lighter than all three of them, and this will act as our highlighter for our eyeshadow build. Now we're going to jump into our purple from this palette, and we're only adding a slight tint of purple. We don't want it to be too strong, but we want it to at least be there. So this is a very light hand of purple, and then we're actually going to go over top of that again with the matte turquoise from the Zulu palette. That way we really have our blue. Now we're going to go ahead with the pink shimmer palette from the Zulu's place. We're going to add this to the middle. Now this look is technically a halo. So when you apply this pink, you're only going to apply it literally to the middle of your eyelid. Maybe blend it out on the sides just a little bit, but primarily that color is just going to be in the middle of the eye. So because the pigment of that shimmer wasn't as bright as I wanted it to be, I actually went in with that regular pink on top of the shimmer just so I can get the pigment down. And then I went in with the shimmer again, that way I have the shimmer finish on top. And then I went in with the turquoise shimmer to get that color stronger in my corners. Now we're going to go ahead with our eyeliner. This is the e.l.f. liquid black eyeliner just for our our eyeliner wing. We use this one to start out the beginning of our wings, and then we switch to the LA Girl Precision Eyeliner. This is also liquid black, and we use this to go ahead and fan out that wing extension. Now we're going to start prepping for our eyelashes. This is my favorite mascara, the Intenseif-Eye. Go ahead and do the basics. You go up a few times, then go down a few times. That way we get a good base for our eyelashes. And the lashes I'm using for this look are actually my favorite. These are the Wispies by Christina. Now I like the wispy ones because they really look natural. They're not super full, but they're not super thin either, and they're just the right length. So these eyelashes are perfect for me. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started with our face process. This is my liquid foundation, the LA Girl Warm Caramel. And we do a light layer mainly towards the bottom half of the face because that's really where all my blemishes are, so I don't necessarily really need it on my forehead. And if I do go on my forehead, it's very, very, very light. See how fast that was? Super light. Now we're gonna go ahead with the second half of the duo. This is the powder foundation version of the Warm Caramel color, also by LA Girl. Now we're going in with the Fit Me foundation number 330 by Maybelline. And we're just going to apply this to our upper halves of our cheekbones while we go in with our blush, also by Fit Me, by Maybelline, the number 50. And this is going to define that cheekbone. Now this is one of our new products. This is the AOA Wonder Highlighter. This is Bubbly, and this highlighter is so beautiful. Can you guys believe this was only $1? Like, look at that glow. Look at the glow. It's amazing. I know, right? Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch to our water lash line. And this is the Auto Retractable Liner by LA Girl. This is like a standard black. And just go ahead and define those eyes. Now we're gonna go back into the Zulu palette and we're gonna go for that matte pink, and we're gonna apply this underneath our lash line. Lastly, we're going to add a little bit of highlights to our look. We're going in with the Shimmer palette, and we're picking, it's kind of like a very, very light rose gold, and we're just going to apply this to the inner tear ducts of our eyes, and we're going to add a little bit of that to our nose just to make our face really pop. Now here I'm doing a new feline eyeliner technique, because basically you're bringing in that line from your inner corner, you're just bringing it down a little bit more. Okay, lastly for our lips, we're going in with the NYX Full Throttle. This is their lip cream, and this color is Trickster. Now, this color is really pigmented, and this lipstick is super saturated, so I absolutely love it. Now we're gonna go over it with the Tony Dash number 99499. And we're going to go over that with one of our new products. This is the Diamond Lip Gloss. This is a hyaluronic blue / pink, and the color is Bubblegum. So that will do it for this look. Glam Fam, let me know, how do you like this look in the comments down below. Would you wear it? Do you like it? Yes. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies in the next one.